Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to become a head in the floor. So you want to be in a city to do this glitch, and you are going to want to go over here to this sign. Then you're going to want to go under it, press your Oculus button, then put your hands under. And then how you move is you want to have your hands down, then you'll stay, and then you can drag yourself if you lift them up. And now, if we go to mirror, it will register us as a head in the floor. So yeah. Now, I'm a head in the ground. And that's how you get up. So yeah, that's how you become a head.